Hello and welcome to MB Tech. My name is Matthew Bingham, and today we're going to go over a container that's called RSSPub. And basically what this does is it takes some of your favorite feeds, your RSS feeds, and turns them into an EPUB, which you can actually view on an EPUB viewer, Kindle, other different types of things that you can see. Creates it in a nice type of format. So we will go over the interface here real quick. It's real easy. I added Krebs and I also added Bleeping Computer to this one. You can do any RSS feed that you like or want to do. After you do that, you can actually set it up to do it, in the configuration. You can actually have do it daily. You can add a schedule. You can all do different things for this, however you want it to be created. I did it just as a manual one here. And when I generated it, it created this download. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like. It's real easy to set up. Once you set it up, I'll have the config files and everything that you need and where to find the GitHub for that. So I did the generate EPUB now, and then here's the download. Click on the download. So for my Windows, I'm actually using EPUB Plus. Open up that app, and you can see here are the current EPUBs that are in here for my library from EPUB Plus. I'm going to say add a book. And from here, here's the digest that I just created. And we'll say open that. And then that one is now the 111. So we can open that up. And then here's table of contents, and here's Bleeping Computer. Then we can actually go into these different things, and we can see it's really neat how it takes that, basically makes it almost like a PDF file as well. But this is for your other type of readers that you got EPUB. So this is just a real quick one. It's called RSSPub, and that is how you basically set it up. And now we'll go through actually setting it up as a container, and then from there you can add your own feeds that you would like to get as an EPUB. From our Ubuntu server that we have that has Docker already installed, we're basically going to log in, and this is the home directory for our users that we currently have. We're going to change directory into containers. Inside of there, we're actually going to make a directory, and that will be the RSSPub. Now we're going to change directories into RSSPub, and in this directory, we're going to do our normal nano compose.yaml, and inside of here, we'll put the RSSPub config file. So here's the file. We have our services, RSSPub, latest image for that. And then we've got our port, which is going to be 8084. And then username, admin, and password, which we definitely can change that or want to change that. And then a health check command. Once we're done with that, we're just going to Control X. Yes, and exit. From there, we just do our normal Docker compose up, and it'll pull down that image. That part has seemed to be finished. So next, we will check the log files. And it looks like it's listening on the internal port of 3000, which we're going to access it by going to the 8084. So we just need to go back out to our browser. And for me, that IP address is the 192.168.10.185, and the port is going to be the 8084. And once we do that, we can see that we are connected. Here is what it looks like initially right off the bat. And then here you can put in any type of feed that you want. And we're just going to add the Bleeping Computer feed. And we're just going to limit it to 5. And then we'll say default and Bleeping Computer. So we'll say add feed. So we have Bleeping Computer. And next we'll say generate EPUB now. And it looks like it is ready. So that is there. And then we'll just download this. Say keep to that. And then now we just go to our EPUB reader. And we can say add books. And then there's RS at 3:56 p.m. Open. And there we go. We're viewing that in our EPUB view. Okay, that's the RSS aggregator that creates a EPUB for your RSS feeds so that you can view it with a e-reader, even Kindle and stuff like that. So anyways, this is RSSPub. It is a neat little container, real easy to install. All that stuff will be in the information in the description. My name is Matthew Bingham with MB Tech and another container for Docker. Hope you enjoyed this and have a great rest of the day.